Why Gala will dominate the Metaverse. Hey, and welcome to the Crypto World, a channel where all we do is talk about crypto. Quickly, before we start, we want to let you know that this video is not financial advice, and we are not financial advisors. So, before investing any money, please do your own research. That being said, let's head towards the video. No matter whether you want to live another life in the metaverse, play games, earn money by either listening to music or watching movies, Gala Games come first. There is literally nothing Gala Games has left without conquering when it comes to blockchain and metaverse. Today, when blockchain is limited to transactions only, Gala Games thought of the future and built an empire of games on the metaverse. Soon after the metaverse concept came to the surface, Gala Games indulged into creating a whole fleet of metaverse-style games. And today, it has a supreme collection of games built on the blockchain where one can live a whole life as a game character. Not only that, you can earn money so you don't actually have to stand up from your chair and go to work. When you are into Gala's metaverse, you don't have to worry about the world around you, neither about what's happening and not about the money. At this point, one might think that Gala Games might dominate the metaverse, even though Facebook and Microsoft were the few which started working on the metaverse. Today, Gala Games is leaving everyone far behind. But wait, why and how Gala Games is going to dominate the entire metaverse? How exactly will it pave its way, and what it has already done until now? Don't think too much, because today we are going to reveal will Gala will dominate the metaverse. But before we jump into the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get more updates and videos about the crypto world. Let's start the show. Gala Games was a project launched to relaunch the signature games on the blockchain. At that time, neither anyone nor Gala Games itself knew that it would achieve so much in so little time. It didn't have many defined goals to achieve until it launched its first game and got the traction none of the games had gone by then. This was what gave Gala Games the necessary push, and this was the day when it took flight for the moon. Today, Gala Games is more than just a gaming project, since it has shoots reaching every crypto project one can think of. It has even launched some of the most innovative projects that not only reveal the power of the blockchain, but let you make money without much effort. For Gala Games, fun and entertainment comes first. But what if you could earn money by just playing games or doing things you love to do? Since blockchain can be used for anything, why not create some new projects that are easy to follow for the users, and thus in this way they could make money? This is the mentality that is the building block of Gala Games, and this is why it is dominating the metaverse. Gala Games does not think about earning money for the creators, rather they are more focused on the users, the original force that can either run the project or make it sink. When this became the very fiber of the Gala Games, it started creating games and developing them by thinking as a user. They added things which the players would love, and even they let the players structure their own universe in their metaverse. And when Gala Games launched its games, they created a never-ending hype. People got to know that Gala Games is a project that is user-friendly, a project that gains when its users gain. Unlike any other blockchain and metaverse-style project that only makes efforts to increase its own revenue, Gala Games entirely turned the tables. It has faith that first, projects need to own its users, and this is what Gala Games did. After winning the loyalty of the users, next was to offer something no one ever did. A complete fleet of games like Fortified, Echoes of Empire, Last Expedition, Legacy, Miranda's, and Spider Tanks was showcased. Even though most of their games are in the development stage, players and users are dying to try them out. Most of the games have in-game assets that were presented for sale. Players bought them all before even the game had been launched. Why? Because Gala Games has already won their loyalty. They don't doubt that Gala will do something that won't be in favor of the players and users. Some of the games like Miranda's and Spider Tanks have got record-breaking traction and attention from all around the world. Its every single game reveals what a metaverse actually is and what details there can be. Since we are talking about metaverse, the graphic quality should never be compromised. And you can see this by watching trailers of the games or trying out the beta versions. Certainly, games by Gala are a place where players can live another life. Gala Games really are offering another lifestyle that most of the players want to have at any cost. We did say that Gala Games focuses more on user benefit rather than on itself. This can be seen by knowing about the other projects Gala Games is working on. Unlike other projects that create a whole labyrinth for the users to make money, Gala Games try to make it as easy as possible. And a living example of it is the Gala Music Node. Users can either buy Gala Music Nodes to create their own collection of music, or simply they can listen to anyone's music and earn money in return. If you buy a Gala Music Node, you can make money every time someone listens to your music. What it really means is you can literally earn money by listening to music. There isn't anything more you need to do. Just put your earbuds on, choose the music and start making money. You will make more money if you listen to more music. Well, you won't believe that something like this can give you money, but this is the truth. And it has been made possible only by Gala Games. Another project that has created hype in the market at present is Gala Movie. No one actually knows the details about this project, but after seeing Gala Music Node, one can guess what it would be related to. Gala Movie might let you watch movies or videos and get paid in return for that. If this turns out to be the reality, which it seems to, this will be a dream for most of us. We mean, you're going to make money by doing what you love to do, watching movies. Could someone just imagine in the past that we would be paid for watching films? Well, we are talking about Gala Games and anything is possible from their side. By now, you might have understood how exactly Gala Games are dominating the metaverse. It is launching project after project that is getting sensational traction and is letting it make revenue. This revenue, in turn, is used to develop another project and the cycle goes on. This has been shown by the fleet of Gala Games because you get a whole lot of marvelous games in one place. Believe it or not, there isn't a single project in the market that has expanded on the metaverse as Gala Games has. And it's just the start. In the first phase, Gala Games focused on benefits received by the users. Imagine what it can do when it will shift this and will focus on expanding vigorously. The projects Gala Games is working on are the projects major companies would work on in upcoming years. What it really means is Gala Games is already living in the future. Can you imagine what would be its own future? Well, after seeing what it has achieved, Gala Games is going to be the sole leader of the metaverse in the future. Did you know that Gala Games has dominated the metaverse and has much more plans to maintain its monopoly? Don't be shy to comment right below in the comment sections. Would you want to play some of the supreme games by Gala Games? By now, Gala Games has taken control of the metaverse, and in the future it seems to maintain its monopoly by launching some mind-blowing projects. Not to miss out any updates and insightful videos about the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. You would definitely not want to miss any video that may let you enjoy more and earn money, right? Until the next video, stay tuned.